Hello and welcome to an IT video tutorial. Today I will be showing you the basics of Moodle, Adelphi's course management system. Let's get started. On the eCampus homepage, scroll down to the Find a Service search bar and type in Moodle, then click on the Moodle result, or choose it from the icons below. The Moodle homepage shows all of your active courses and the names of the instructors. If a course you are enrolled in is not visible on Moodle, you should contact your instructor for that course. On the sidebar is the filtered course list that shows courses grouped by semester or category. Here you may find past courses that don't appear in your current My Courses list anymore. If a class is not on this list, your professor may have removed access to view the course. On the sidebar, you also have access to tech support and library resources if you need some help. You can also select Enhancement Requests to send feedback about Moodle or request new features. To open the menu, click in the top left corner. The Home button allows you to return to the home page, where we are now. The My Courses Dashboard button allows you to pick which courses appear in your My Courses list. The calendar allows you to see the assignments your instructors have posted to Moodle that have due dates listed. If you click on a course, you will see the accessibility toolbar on the right side. You can adjust the size of your font, save your settings, or reset the text size to normal. You can also change the color of the screen, and you can reset the color. Pressing Launch AT bar puts these accessibility options in a toolbar at the top of your window. If you wish to review this information at any time, click on the blue Replay Tour button at the top right corner. Thanks for watching!